3 ways to get free affiliate marketing traffic for your offers. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 different strategies that you can use. So if you want to stick this video out right until the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a free resource that you can use to help you along the way. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop each week on how to make money online so that you can sack your boss and live a life of true passion, freedom, and fulfillment. And one of these methods I'm going to be showing you is one that I've actually used to scale my own business to over 6 figures, making sales like this and sales like this repeatedly over and over again. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in. And like I said, I've used this method to actually scale my business to over 6 figures. So we're going to be starting with Facebook organic traffic. Okay. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to optimize your Facebook profile. So once you are out there in groups, which I'm going to be showing you in just a second, and when traffic is coming towards you and people are clicking on your Facebook profile, they know exactly what it is that you do. Okay. So the very first thing you want to do is to optimize your Facebook profile. Okay, so if we go over onto my Facebook profile, as you can see, Andy Phillip. Philip's just my middle name. My name is Andy Mattis, okay? But the very first thing you want to do is you want to have an optimized cover photo. So when people land on your profile, they know exactly what it is that you do. So I have here UAM, up-level affiliate marketing. And if somebody clicks on this cover photo, as you can see over here on the right hand side, it says click here for free training. Okay, and then you can basically put your link in there. And you want to be pointing all of the links from your Facebook profile to the same place. So whether that's an affiliate offer, whether that's your own funnel, it's up to you. But we're going to be putting these links in multiple different places. I'm going to be showing you that in just a second. And you want to be pointing them all in the same direction. Okay. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to optimize the intro on your Facebook profile. Okay. So if we go back over here and we go back and have a look, if you scroll down, you have the intro over here, right? So again, free training for affiliate marketers, and I have the exact same link there, uplevel-affiliate-marketing.com. And one thing I think I've missed out in that spreadsheet, in that Google Doc, is you can actually do this in your profile photo too. So with your profile photo, you definitely want to have a photo of yourself with a clear face shot where people can actually see who you are. You don't want to be having like something like an avatar, because that just basically, people are going to think you're just some shady character and they're going to bounce from your profile, right? So if you click on this one, as you can see, it says click here for the free training, and I've got the exact same link there, up-level affiliate marketing, right? So if we go back onto this sheet, the next thing you want to do is optimize your links, okay? So Facebook gives you an option to add a website to your profile, okay? So as you can see, I've got the exact same link down here, up-level affiliate marketing, okay? And you can also add your social media profiles. So here I've got my YouTube channel. If people click on that, they can go over and check out my YouTube channel too. So again, just for reference, guys, you can click on this link here and you can actually go over and you can check out my profile if you want reference for that stuff. You can actually find this Google Doc in the description down below. So if you click on that one, you can actually pull this up. You can click on file here and you can click on make a copy, and you can make your own copy and edit it if you need to, okay? So the next thing that we want to focus on is daily tasks for you to be able to grow. Okay, so we need traffic. So the very first thing you want to do is basically, now your profile is optimized, you want to go over and find 5 to 10 Facebook groups where your audience is already hanging out. The good thing about this is Facebook already has groups full of people that you're looking for, full of traffic that will be interested in your offers. So all you need to do is to go and add people from these groups. I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do. Don't just be going into these groups and just spamming your links, because you will get blocked. Okay, we definitely don't want that. So if we go over back onto Facebook, and we could just type in something like side hustle ideas, you're going to have all of these different groups that pop up. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this one just because it's public. The private groups do tend to be better, but we're going to have to obviously wait for approval for the private ones, right? So if we go over onto the side hustle ideas 2024, and as you can see, these groups are highly engaged. They've got, in this woman's just put, what's your side hustle? 370 comments. You can basically take a look through here and people will be commenting what they do. If you find somebody that's, in your niche, affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you're doing, then you can definitely click on that. You can add this person as a friend. So another way to do this is to go over onto people. Okay, and you can actually see what members are inside the group. So the best thing to do is go from members with things in common. Okay, and you can literally just scroll down and then you can start adding people from these groups. Okay, Facebook does get a little bit funny about you adding people that you're not familiar with. Okay, so you definitely want to focus on adding people that you have friends in common. That way these requests will go through. So daily task is to add 50 to 100 people in these groups that already have your audience, okay? And then create 1 to 2 posts providing value and helping people, okay? So you don't just want to be spamming your links. I've already spoken about this. You don't want to just go in there and just post your link because you will get yourself blocked. You want to be adding value, creating posts and, basically trying to help people, okay? Because you want to build up that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. Just find 5 things that you're interested in. For me, it's finance, fitness, faith, family, and fun. Like I said, I'm no longer using a Facebook strategy. I'm more focused on YouTube right now. So you won't really see many posts on my Facebook profile, but you want to find 5 things that you're interested in to post about, okay? And then a great way to do this is basically everybody that adds you back, once you sent the friend request, everyone who accepts your friend request, you can just message them, okay? Do not just message them with your links, again, because it's quite spammy. I recommend using a method called SPIN, okay? And that stands for situation, problem, implication, and need payoff, okay? So go into their inbox, start up a conversation, and do remember that there is somebody on the other side of this computer, so don't just be going in there spamming your links. I always like to use the example of just imagine you walking down the road, minding your own business, and a complete stranger walking up to you trying to sell you something. Most people are going to ignore you, they're going to block you, they're going to walk off, and it's the exact same in your inbox, okay? So I recommend using a method called SPIN. Find out a little bit about their situation. Are they having any problems? What are the implications of those problems? Okay, and is there a need for your services, right? Simple. So traffic method number 2 is short form video content. This is extremely powerful to get a lot of eyeballs on your offer quite quickly. And these are things such as TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, okay? So the great thing about this is these platforms will serve you a lot of traffic quite quickly, but you only need to create one piece of content and then you can repurpose it across all 4 different platforms, okay? So I've got some examples down here that you can take a look at. You can use this software called Snaptic. And this is really good if you're, uploading videos onto TikTok, because what will happen is once you've uploaded it onto TikTok, TikTok will then add this watermark with the TikTok logo on your video. So you can simply copy and paste a link from your video, and then you can basically download it here where it's going to remove that watermark for you, okay? So another really easy way to do this is to literally just talk for 30 to 60 seconds about your journey, okay, or motivation. Simple. You could just say, I'm new to affiliate marketing. This is my first video, rah, rah, rah. Just introduce yourself. And these videos really work just to help connect people with you. So you can talk for 30 to 60 seconds about your journey or motivation. And this is just a really good way to connect with your audience. Just create something really simple. Hey guys, this is my first TikTok video. And it just really helps kind of help your audience connect with you as a person, as opposed to you just constantly trying to sell something, right? You can create 60-second education videos. I've left some examples down there for you to take a look at. So you can click on those and take a look. And then you can create call to action videos where, there may be a bit of education in this video, but at the end, there's a call to action where you're asking them to perform a specific action. Maybe click on the link to go check out a free training, or click on this link to go and check out my affiliate offer, whatever that may be. And then traffic method 3 is the best of them all. This is my favorite, and this is the automated traffic YouTube machine, okay? So these are basically long form videos, okay? A little bit like the video that you're watching right now, and they're typically over a minute's time, okay? With YouTube, if they're under a minute, they're typically going to be shorts, as obviously if they're recorded from a phone and they're the right size. But, longer form videos are going to be the sort of landscape version, and they're going to be typically over a minute long, right? So you can put your affiliate links in the description, and this is going to help automate your sales process. If you think about it, guys, all you've got to do is just think about an old song that you really like. It could have been uploaded onto YouTube like 15 years ago, and it's still getting views today. So you want to be thinking about these videos as digital real estate that will continue to bring you leads and sales for many years to come. So you can either put your affiliate links in the description, you can put your funnel in the description. It's entirely up to you. So if you just take a look at one of my videos over here, if we scroll down, as you can see, I've got this, 10-minute video that's up here, 238 views so far within the first few days. And as you can see, how to start, grow, and scale your affiliate marketing business, free training. and they've got the case study link that I've got there over on my Facebook profile. As you can see, I'm pointing all of my traffic to the same links, guys, right? I see I've got the same link down here again, and I've got a few different affiliate links down in the bottom underneath here. And this is your digital real estate, because when people discover you and go and check out your videos, if they like your videos, they will be scrolling down and they will be clicking on these links, which is then going to send traffic to your offers. You basically want to be focusing on adding value to your audience. Okay, you don't just want to be sell, sell, sell. You want to make sure you're actually helping them, adding value. Same as the sort of Facebook method. You don't just want to be sell, sell, sell. You want to go in there, you want to add value to your audience first. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can then add in the call to actions. You know, click on the link down in the description, check out this free training, click the link down in the description, check out my affiliate offer. It's amazing for such and such and such. So if any of you do want a more in-depth free training where I dive deeper onto every single one of these methods, then I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description, or clicking on this link that's on this document here, and it would send you to an opt-in page where it's just going to ask you to enter your email, your name and email, and then you can watch the free training on exactly how to do that stuff. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. My name's Andy Mattis, and I'm out.